Meaning of Filipino.
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 Filipino. Filipino can refer to either a noun or an adjective. As a noun, it refers to a person from the Philippines or someone of Filipino descent. As an adjective, it describes anything related to the Philippines or its people, culture, or language. The term Filipino is derived from the Spanish name for the Philippines, Las Islas Filipinas, which honors King Philip II of Spain. Today, the term is widely used to describe the diverse and rich culture of the Philippines and its people, both within the country and throughout the world.